On today's how-to video, we're going to be showing you how to remove your Elantra trunk in case it has been hit or needing replacement, or you're doing some modifications or paint work to it. As you can see, we have pretty much a total Elantra in, and it'll be a perfect candidate for a how-to video, as this trunk is no good and it's just scrap metal. It does have a few little useful parts, but nothing for us. So underneath here you have 2 bolts and a 10 millimeters. Both of these, 2 on each side, will need to be removed. Now you do have 2 cables here that you will have to unhook right here and here. Now you can get to these cables behind this panel right here. One of them goes to the trunk lock right here, and you can disconnect this guy right here. You will have to take it loose, take the plug-in off, and then you can get back here and unlatch it. Pick straight up right like so, and then you can feed it out here, and that will move your trunk lock. Then you can feed the cable all the way back through to down there. Same goes with this plug-in that you just unplug from the other side of this. As you can see, we are feeding our cables through so we can remove the trunk here in one piece. That's how easy it is to remove your Elantra back trunk. As you can see, we did a great job on this. Tony made it look easy. So I hope you enjoyed this Elantra video. Drop me a like, leave me a comment if you did. Be sure to check the channel out for more content. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Tony, don't break too much stuff.